So yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 19 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 2194, sales in an is on an Excel sheet. Okay, so let's go on the problem statement. So we have said given R comma C of an Excel sheet is represent as a string, column and row. Fine. Column denotes the column number C of the cells. It is represented by alphabetical letters. Fine. For example, the first column is denoted by A and second by B, then third by C and so on. Okay. A row is the number R of the cell. The rth row is represented by the integer. You are given a string in the format column row. Fine. Where column 1 represents the column 1, row 1 represents the row 1. Similar way. Okay, such that row 1 is always less than or equal to row 2 and column is always less than or equal to column 2. Fine. So basically we have to return the list of cells such that row 1 is less than or equal to x and x should be less than or equal to row 2. The cells should be represented as a string in the format mentioned above and be sorted in non-decreasing order, first by column and then by rows. Okay, so basically we have given a start row and an end row. We have to tell all the columns that includes inside this. So if we see that for example 1, we are given k1 l2. So basically a string is given, a starting and ending column. So we have to tell all the columns that comes within this range. So k1 k2 will come and l1 l2 will come. So we have to return all the column names in an array. Okay, similar in example 2 it is given a1 f1. So all first row till starting from a to f we can send. So yeah, it's quite easy, like we just need two loop I believe, and first we'll take the starting row that will go still like ending row, and one will be for column name that will into the column 2. Fine. So we see about constraints. So s dot length equals to 5. Okay, it will always means 5. So total 4 character and 1 colon. Fine. And s start from a, it can max z, which is understandable, and 1 till 9. Fine. And s consists of uppercase letter English digit, letter digit and a colon. Fine. So from the given string input we will first fetch all the required columns. So in our case required column will be, let's suppose, the start column. We'll take it as a start column, and yeah, it is integer, so we'll take it as char. So char, yeah, s dot char at, as this is always fixed size, so we can use this. So our start row will be the second one, s dot char at first. Now similar way, like we'll take the other value end column equals to s dot char at 0 1 2 3, and last one our char end row will be s dot char at 4. So like as we all know, it starts from 0 index, so that's why 0 and 1 will be our first starting column and starting row, and we are skipping this second one and we are taking third and fourth, which will be our end row, in column and end row. Fine. So now as with return type of list. So we'll create one list and answer equals to new array list. Okay, now we'll open the loop and we'll take our first starting character. So we'll do int sorry, not int, char s equals to starting character. It should go till our int character, right? And we will increase by 1. So basically in ASCII format it will keep increasing. So if our k, then L. Similar way, if starting is A, then B, C, D, likewise it will iterate. Now similar I will take for row as well inside this loop. So take our start row, will start from starting row and our row will go till ending row, right? And we have to include as well because till there we have to go. In similar way, like R will increase, sorry, here it should be S, we have to increase the S. Fine. Now as we have already taken this answer, so we'll just insert dot add our starting and row, and as this is character and we have to return the string array, so we'll just manipulate it by just adding with a one string, so it will give the correct string output. Okay, now at last by iterating till all the range, we'll just return our answer here. Hope it works. Let's run and see the test cases. Okay, what is it? S is already defined. Okay, my bad. So S is already given, we can't take. We'll take st here in place of S. Yeah, it should be fine now. Yeah, so our test case it got accepted and we have got the expected value. Let's submit and see the other test cases. So yeah, it got accepted, all 251 test cases got passed. So here if we talk about the time complexity, so as you all know we are using two loop, so it will be none other than a big of and a square, and a space complexity is constant for 4 variables, so it is big of 1. Yeah, that's all for today. We'll see you on next video. Bye.